ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So if you head out the door right now, you'll notice a kind of a humid, sticky feel to the air. That's because temperature and dew point are exactly the same, coming in at 75. And when you have temperature and dew point equal, that's 100% relative humidity. And that's what you got out there right now. But aloft, the air is very dry. You'll have starry skies and a sunny start once dawn breaks across the region. So we'll be looking at very little chance of rainfall today because of that dry air aloft. But at the surface, the humid air, as we continue with our evaporation process of the surface moisture that's collected from recent rains, will make it feel very humid again this afternoon. 74 degrees, Wauchula, Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton, Lakewood Ranch at 75, so is Northport, Punta Gorda at 76, as is Venice, 77 in Inglewood, and Longboat Key, the hot spot, coming in at 78 degrees. Across the region, a couple areas of disturbed weather, obviously focusing our attention in the northern Gulf waters now as Harvey makes landfall, has made landfall in Louisiana. Just to the west of Cameron, it's moving to the north a little faster, but still pretty slow, and it's continuing to pump a lot of rainfall up through Louisiana and even the state of Florida. Now, for us, we don't have, for New England, they don't have much of a chance of seeing this area of low pressure develop. It had a chance yesterday, didn't do it, and so consequently it's just a low pressure area moving off the coast. There's the rainfall in Florida caused by Harvey. That's for the extreme western panhandle of the state. For the peninsula itself, it's dry. That dry air aloft shutting off the rain machine today. We'll have plenty of sunshine, warm afternoon temperatures consequently because of all the sunshine we get. And the radar right now will look like the radar this evening, pretty clear of any echoes. That drier air, very visible as this tan color in our water vapor imagery here. We've colorized the dry air tan for you. And you can clearly see that it is solidly in place over the Sun Coast and the entire southern tip of the state. Now, with time, that's going to change. As we head into Friday, we'll start to moisten up our atmosphere. And then Harvey, moving on shore, will become extratropical and gain the characteristics that we're familiar with when we have an area of low pressure, a warm front and a cold front, and that cold front will approach us on the weekend and up our rain chances. So mostly sunny skies today, hot afternoon, and then rainfall this weekend, and some of that rain could be heavy. Across the tropics, we continue to watch this area of disturbed weather, 90% chance of development, and it could become a tropical depression within a day or two. It's forecast to continue on a westerly track. We don't have to worry about this over the long Labor Day weekend, but as we head into next week, we're going to have to keep an eye on it and see what it does. Forecast models keep it on a westerly track, and of course, at this time of year, with a hurricane out in the mid-Atlantic, we need to keep an eye on that. 50 to 60% chance of showers by Friday into Saturday, and then we return to our typical kind of summertime pattern by next week. Back to you.